So my name is Kevin Hogan and I'm a Senior Design Manager at Kapitol Group. We started looking at using 3D documentation products to try and get a real-life capture of a certain point in time out in the field. What was interesting is where OpenSpace came in was they had to compare your modeling functions against the install at site, again a validation of design, which I found was extremely powerful because one thing is when you design something beautiful, if it doesn't get installed as per your approved design drawings, you are none the wiser, and it's quite challenging to compare. Imagine a project where you easily have 8,000 drawings against an installation on site where the model doesn't lie. When we opened the bonnet of OpenSpace and had a look, there is actually some really powerful AI within it that actually can recognize installations at site and give you a true picture of the progress versus what you were supposed to actually have installed. I think OpenSpace assists in, at an early stage, identify if there is a potential issue, i.e. as a subcontractor gone and installed something which was not in line with what actually has been approved by the design team, the client, the architects. We're not just waiting for clients to tell us to build a BIM project anymore. We're just doing it. We're just modeling them, all of them, because we know that the information that comes from a 3D coordinated model in 2D and gets built, they've already been resolved. I guess the missing link for us has been we can do point cloud scans and manually check it, but I guess that's where OpenSpace comes in and provides a feature that you can put in the hand of someone who doesn't need to be an expert in a 3D modeling environment software. They can literally just walk it, pull out the model side by side and have a look and say, hey, does this look right? Or does this look a little bit out of place? We think the value that it adds to our clients, taking them along the journey, giving them afterwards accessibility to their building so they can go back and revisit things as they maintain their assets basically for the next 25 years. Giving them that level of information, that would be gold if I was a client.